So today we're going to be looking at electrical circuits. Now the first thing you want to make sure is all your components are actually working. Right, the wee setup I've got here for the two lamps, when I connect the power supply in, both lamps should come on. There's no point in trying to set up other circuits if your components are not working. When building circuits, there are two basic types. The first one we're going to look at is what we call a series circuit. Working from the power supply, we connect the components in one big loop. So when the power supply is switched on, all the lamps work. A quick check would be to show that if there's a break in a series circuit, everything goes off. You can see both lamps are now off. So in a series circuit, either everything is on or everything is off. If we want to measure the current in a series circuit, we have to actually break into the circuit. Right, the ammeter has to actually be in the circuit. So if I take out one of the connectors, remember, any break, everything's either on or off. If I connect my ammeter into the circuit, everything comes back on again. And you can see in the corner, the reading on the ammeter is 0.004, and that's amperes. The ammeter is now connected between the lamps. And again, you can see the current is 0.004 amperes. The current is the same at all points in a series circuit, and we can show this by moving it towards the right hand side of the circuit. Again, you can see that the current is 0.004 amperes. The current is the same at all points in a series circuit. The next quantity we want to measure is voltage. Voltage describes the energy that's been given to each of the charges as they pass through the wires and through the lamps. It's the energy given to the charges. If we connect the voltmeter across the supply, we'll get a reading of the voltage from the supply. In this case, we get a reading of 5.99 volts. So supply voltage, the biggest voltage we could measure in the circuit, is 5.99 volts. If we look at how that behaves, we now have the voltmeter connected across the left-hand lamp. And we can see the reading is now 3.39 volts. The supply voltage has dropped to 3.39 volts. If we connect it across the right hand lamp, we get a reading of 2.59 volts. The supply voltage of 5.99 volts has been split across the two individual lamps. Or, if we add up the individual voltages, the voltages across each of the lamps, we get the voltage over the supply.